Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to add Prime Video to your LG Smart TV, even if your TV doesn't have an app store. This guide will help you start streaming your favorite movies and shows quickly and easily. Step 1. Turn on your LG Smart TV. Make sure your LG TV is plugged in and connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Use your remote to access the home screen. Step 2. Check for built-in apps. Some LG TVs have Prime Video pre-installed. Press the Home button on your remote and look for the Prime Video app. If you see it, you can skip to Step 6. Step 3. Use the web browser. If your TV doesn't have the app, open the LG web browser from the Home menu. This allows you to access streaming services directly from the internet. Step 5. Visit primevideo.com in the browser. You may need to use the on-screen keyboard to type the address. Step 6. Sign in to your Amazon account. Click Sign In and enter your Amazon account email and password. If you don't have an account, follow the instructions on the screen to create one. And that's it. Even without an app store, Prime Video is ready to stream on your LG Smart TV. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our step-by-step tutorials.